At Superwise, we take an open agentic governance approach. This allows users to operationalize and govern agents built and developed within our studio or register their own custom-built agents, now with full support for Flowise-based agents. Let's look at an example. We developed a travel agent bot in Flowise. Now, we can easily register it with Superwise without changing anything in our implementation, allowing us to deploy and govern our agent in production. To register it, we need to supply our Flow ID and our Flowise API token. You can now see that Superwise automatically detected which credentials are being used in that flow and need to be provided. Now we can start configuring some of the services that Superwise provides for our developed agent. We will start with defining guardrails to reject any toxic interactions. We can also define whether we want to publish the app as a public app, which makes it open for everyone, or make it private, where only authenticated end users will be able to use it and manage the required token. Everything is set to go, and we can publish our app. Superwise deploys the application and exposes a backend API that can be accessed for production use of the agent. Superwise also offers the relevant SDK, API, or chat experience iframe that can consume these APIs. Let's check it out, ask questions, and see if our guardrails works. It's working. Superwise will monitor the deployed application, allowing us to track all past conversations. Here, we can see that the question we just asked was logged, and additional information was extracted automatically. With these logs, we can build dashboards in Superwise and configure alerts to maintain our application's health.